Hello everybody, I'm Daniel Montillo from Foreign RPG, and today we are here for our second episode of Bulgarian lessons. I'm with Isabella. How are you, Isabella?
Very good, thank you.
And what we're going to learn today?
Today we're going to learn how to greet people in Bulgaria.
I hear there is two ways to greet people in Bulgaria, formal and informal. What I should do if I going in the street and I meet with a friend? What I should say to my Bulgarian friend?
You can say ЗДРАВЕЙ or ЗДРАСТИ.
What that means?
It means hi or hello.
And if there is any difference between ЗДРАВЕЙ and ЗДРАСТИ?
No, there's no difference.
What I should say to say bye-bye to them?
You can say довиждане или ciao.
Ciao, like Italian.
Yes.
And довиждане. What means довиждане?
See you soon or goodbye.
There is any other way to say bye-bye to my friends?
Yes, you can say also до SKORO.
And what means do SKORO?
До SKORO means see you soon.
Now, there is another way. There's the formal way of greetings. What I should say if I'm on the street and I see, let's say, your teacher?
If it's in the morning, you can say добър ден, which means good day. And if it's early in the morning, you can say добро утро, which means good morning.
Добро утро and добър ден.
Yes, that's right.
What about if I see them in the evening time?
You can tell them добър вечер.
Dober večer. What dober večer means?
It means good evening.
Good evening. Okay. And what is the formal way to say bye-bye to the people?
The formal way to say bye-bye to people is довиждане.
Довиждане. Isi, how we can say good night in Bulgarian?
In Bulgarian, we say лека нощ.
All right. Now that we have greeted the people, I would like to introduce myself to them. How I should do that?
You can say здравейте, аз съм Даниел, which means hello, I'm Daniel.
Right. And this is a formal way to introduce myself and an informal way to introduce myself?
This is the formal way. There is no informal way to introduce yourself.
Isabella, let's review what we have learned today.
We learned how to introduce yourself and how to greet people. Danny, how you introduce yourself?
No, I introduce myself by saying ЗДРАВЕЙ, аз съм Daniel.
Yes, that's right. And how you greet people?
I greet people in two different ways. If it's informal, I say ЗДРАСТИ and ЗДРАВЕЙ.
Yes.
And if it's formal, I say добър ден for the whole day, добро утро when it's early in the morning, and добър вечер if it's in the night.
That's right. Good job.
Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this new episode of Bulgarian Lessons with Danny and Isi and Foreign RPG. Don't forget to like
And subscribe.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to share and subscribe to Foreigner BG Facebook page and YouTube channel.